Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by making sure your AirPods have charge and the Xbox has a Bluetooth path. Xbox lacks native Bluetooth, so you need the wireless adapter or a compatible transmitter. Once plugged into the controller or USB port, open the AirPods case and hold the setup button until the LED flashes white. Make sure the adapter is discoverable. Some have a pairing button. Once both are discoverable, proceed immediately to the adapter pairing step to avoid timing out and repeating the sequence. Now connect. Press the adapter's pairing button and keep the AirPods case open. When the AirPods appear, they'll pair to the adapter. Listen for a confirmation chime or solid LED. Once paired, sign into Xbox and go to Settings, General Volume and Audio Output. Set headset audio to the correct mode and choose headset format if available. Make sure chat/game audio balance and microphone permissions are set, because AirPods may only carry stereo audio without mic support on some adapters. Finish by testing audio in a live context. Join a party or launch a game to verify volume, latency, and mic function. If the AirPods transmit audio but the mic doesn't work, that's common. AirPods often only support audio output on Xbox. Try updating the controller and adapter firmware, or use a dedicated headset mic. If audio drops or latency is high, repair both devices, restart the console. And as a last resort, replace the Bluetooth adapter with a low-latency model to resolve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.